This recording will show you how to do citations for EBSCO's Points of View Reference Center. It is a database, but it works a little differently than the other databases. So you see here I have an article on fracking, an overview article. And to cite this, I find the Cite button on the right, and I click it, and it gives me an alphabetical listing of citations. We use MLA, so we want to scroll down and find MLA 8th edition works cited, and I'm going to copy these 2 lines. I'm going to go to Noodle Tools, New Source. Now it's a database, and the points of view actually come from a book. There are chapters in a book, so I'm going to choose book. And we want to do our copy and paste a citation, our quick cite. We paste it here, and we save it. All right, so that first overview article works a lot like the other databases. However, when we go and look at the point or counterpoint article, which a lot of students like to use, I click on the point article. It gives me a citation button here. However, it gives me the information to create a citation. It does not give it to me in MLA format. So what I need to do is actually copy the title of the article. All right, close this box out. And I'm going to paste it in this search box here. All right, and then you see it pulls up the point article, and now we have the citation button on the right-hand side. Once again, we scroll down. Oops, let me try that again. Cite. We scroll down to MLA. We copy this citation, new source, database, book, quick cite, and paste it in here. You would do the same thing if you use the counterpoint article, but that is how you will find the citation for a point or counterpoint article. I hope this helps.